see here. Make sure they're working off a full plate for you, Kathleen. Este es para Kathleen en inglés, mija? Think about it for Kathleen in English, guys. Oh, you want to? Okay, I'm going to tell her. I'm going to tell Kathleen. What's the message have we for Kathleen, little birdie? For Kathleen, you say, oh, right there, the blue one. All right. I'm going to remind her. Kathleen, thank you, Soledad. See what the little bird had to say to you, mija.
Gracias.
Sir, your name?
Chris.
Para Cristobal. ¿Qué le vamos a decir? Chris, in English for Chris. Oh, the yellow one there. Okay, you're the boss. I'm going to tell you.
Man, it's a good one.
Hundreds of them, each one's different. So, ma'am, it goes with the wrap. Apply the advice. You'll have luck if you do.
Ajá. Bueno. Bueno, awesome. Gracias, Soilus.
Yes, they say. You're welcome. You put that in the wallet. You tell your friend's little bird told you. You have the proof.